You're a Southpaw. You've been told you're just a mirror image of an orthodox fighter.
That is a lie, and it's the reason you're losing.
You're making 5 critical mistakes because you've been taught to think with an orthodox brain. In this video, we are deleting the old software and installing the new one.
The reason your combos feel wrong is because they lack purpose. Southpaw combinations are not just sequences of punches. They are tools, each designed to solve a specific geometric problem of the open stance. This is your toolbox. First, the most important tool in your arsenal. Its only job is to win you the dominant outside angle, the single most important
Combo. As you throw your jab, the instant your foot lands, you fire the straight left down the new power line you've created. Jab and step, then straight left.
The drill, the cone pivot. Place a cone on the floor, jab, step past the cone, then fire the straight left. Circle back, repeat. You are burning the connection between punching and moving. But you can't always win the angle immediately. This next tool is designed to open the door for your power shot even from a neutral position. An orthodox fighter's guard is built to stop a straight right. Your straight left comes from a different angle, but their right hand is still in the way. Your lead hook is not a weapon, it is a crowbar. Its job is to pry open their guard. You throw a hard, slapping lead hook. They will instinctively move their right hand to block it. For a split second, the center line is wide open. You immediately fire your straight left through the newly created opening. Lead hook, straight left.
If you're ready to turn your stance into a strategic weapon, hit that subscribe button. We build assassins, not just athletes. Combo 3, the Punisher. You've taken territory and opened the door. Now you need a tool to punish your opponent's primary attack. An orthodox fighter's most common weapon against you will be their jab. You must make them pay for throwing it. Every time your opponent jabs, they are giving you a gift. It's a predictable, telegraphed movement that creates a massive opening for your counter. The combo? As they jab, you slip your head to the outside of their punch. Your weight is now loaded onto your rear leg. From here, you fire your straight left directly over their extended arm, followed by a lead hook to the now exposed liver or head. Slip, straight left, lead hook. The territory taker, the door opener, and the Punisher. Stop throwing random, mirrored combos. Start using tools that are designed for the job. That is how you unlock your true Southpaw advantage. If you're ready to master this system, subscribe now. And to understand the foundational principle behind all these combos, watch my Southpaw versus Orthodox, the Footwork Battle Guide, right here on the screen. It's the perfect next step. Train smart. Stay ready.